Commercial printing requires strategies to address various business challenges, including how to achieve growth while confronted by labour shortages and succession planning needs. The key to overcome these challenges is to provide high quality and added value to clients. Automation, as well as enhanced operational efficiency. Now there is a reliable printing business partner that provides all of these functions, the Ricoh Pro C9500. High quality and added value. The Ricoh Pro C9500 continually provides new value to meet increasingly diverse printing needs. Extensive media flexibility. The straight paper feeding path enables the Ricoh Pro C9500 to handle a wide range of media. The elastic transfer belt facilitates smooth and consistent printing, even on thick and textured paper. The Ricoh Pro C9500 uses a new pad fusing system, making high-quality printing possible, even on thin paper, synthetic paper, and other special papers. The new paper feeder option improves productivity for banner sheet printing. High quality and stability. Achieve image quality that is similar to high-quality offset printing. Gloss control mode allows easy adjustment of gloss level. Swing and shift registration ensures highly accurate and stable image positioning. Automation. Labor-intensive activities like adjustment and inspection operations were dependent on the skills of individual operators, but they have been automated, resulting in consistent quality management and visualization. Image quality monitor. Printing materials are scanned using an internal inline sensor and checked for discrepancies against a digital master image. Quality issues such as streaks and dots are automatically detected, reducing the time and effort involved in inspection work. It guarantees print quality and demonstrates quality reliability to your clients. Multiple settings for failure detection, including purging and reprinting, can be selected to meet your operational needs. The Ricoh Pro C9500 can also detect misregistration and color fluctuations. Auto color diagnosis. Automatic color adjustment during printing produces greater color stability. The system also allows color monitoring to check for color fluctuations during printing. The Ricoh Pro C9500 includes an advanced image position adjustment function to enhance automation of printing operation. Enhanced operational efficiency. Capable to print up to 135 pages per minute. Various functions to ensure uninterrupted machine operation, improved work efficiency, and maximized uptime. The Ricoh Pro C9500 also uses a new graphic communication operating system named Ricoh GCOS. The integrated media management system takes advantage of the system's extraordinary media flexibility. The Ricoh GCOS provides a scheduling function for maintenance tasks. The timeline function allows visualization of system operating status and adjustment operations in chronological order. It facilitates information sharing among operators. Ricoh GCOS can be remotely operated using a tablet device or PC. Ricoh GCOS includes a workflow that reflects the requests we received from our customers and supports improved operational efficiency. It is also highly compatible with remote diagnosis systems and maintenance programs. We will continue to listen closely to your needs and further refine the functions of Ricoh GCOS. An extensive range of options to meet various needs. Ricoh is making an effort to design environmentally friendly products that meet standards of countries around the world. The Ricoh Pro C9500 is designed to provide exceptional service with new technologies that improve quality, create added value, automate production, and increase operational efficiency.